In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotional pop-up on Squarespace 7.1. First, we start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the Squarespace login page and enter your credentials to access the admin dashboard. Once you're in, find and select the Contacts tab from the main menu. This is where we begin our journey in creating an engaging promotional pop-up for your website. Next, you'll want to locate the option that says Add a Promotional Pop-up. Click on this and it will allow you to start crafting your pop-up from scratch. From the drop-down menu, choose the Promotional Pop-up option. This will open up a range of settings and customizable options to tailor your pop-up to fit your brand's voice and style. Now let's move to the Change Layout panel. Here you can scroll through an assortment of layouts. You want to select one that provides the best structure for your content. When choosing a layout, consider what kind of message you want to convey. If you have a strong visual component, make sure the layout supports images well. Otherwise, if the message itself is your main focus, a clean layout with prominent text areas will best serve your purpose. Once your layout is selected, it's time to focus on content. Head over to the Content panel where you'll be able to enter and edit your pop-up's headline and body text. Make sure the headline is catchy and the content to the point. Remember that a viewer's time is precious and you want to convey your message quickly and clearly. If the layout you chose includes an image section, switch to the image panel to upload a background image. Choosing the right image can be vital to reinforcing your message, so select one that complements your call to action and keeps the overall aesthetic appealing. Moving along, open up the action panel. This is where you define what you want your audience to do upon seeing the pop-up. You can include a call to action like signing up for a newsletter or adding a button that leads them to a particular page on your site. Consider what action will bring the most value based on your promotional goals. After setting your action, go over to the Style panel. Here you have the opportunity to tweak fonts, colors, and other design elements of your pop-up, ensuring that it seamlessly fits into the overall design language of your website. Use this panel to ensure that the pop-up is not only functional but also visually appealing. Once you are satisfied with all aspects, find the Display Pop-up toggle switch and turn it on. This activates the pop-up so that visitors will see it when they land on your site. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button. This step is crucial as it publishes your pop-up, making it live on your website. And there you have it, a professionally created promotional pop-up ready to engage your audience on Squarespace.